it's Samuel Lu, and you guys, how are you? I'm fine, guys. And I wanna just say something, guys. And last time, and we smashed a lot of views on the other video I made on my other video, and I just want to say, guys, thank you. And if in this video we can smash 5 likes, I would be really happy, guys. And if we can also make it have more views like last time. So you guys, and today we are talking about Minecraft. It's about the new the new update, guys. So in this update, you guys, I found out something that, and there was some here new things. So and let's head in on to the new things. So as here, and you guys, and you can see here, we have here a banner, and it's not only in red, it's also in white, in blue, in many colors. Also here, and we have a magma block. Yeah, so it's here. What is here? And this here, I can't really remember its name, but its name is right here, guys. Yeah, you guys, it's a beetroot, and here is in the beetroot soup. And something I really was happy of is that here is a bear, a polar bear. You guys, I found it here. At first, guys, how I knew about the update. First, I saw Emmanuel and Daniel looking up about it, and they just saw it when they were playing. So it's here. So as you can see it, it has its eyes. It looks exactly in the same like the polar bear. Yes, and the ears. Yeah, and it also attacks. So something about it, it's nice. In this update, I was happy about it. So I found out. So next one is here. Its name is here. Another wood block. So it actually, I think it's from the nether, and it's more likely red. I knew it. I found it. It's news because when I just went here, I just saw something was like odd. So I found it. So next here we have a red nether brick. So you guys, it is from obviously and the nether, and I like it. It looks nice. It almost looks like the other bricks. I don't know what's the other names, but and they almost look alike, except it's more reddish. And you guys here with a bone block, guys. I just found it, guys. I didn't know what was it, but it looks interesting, guys. And I think if we find out and what it is, it's maybe useful. So, and what I just want to say, guys, is that about the update, it's good. And Minecraft, and they thought about it. It's because now, especially on the banners, it makes us like, if you are building a castle, it can now have a banner in front of it or on top of it. So it's something which it made me happy, guys. So if you like it and you enjoyed it, let's smash 5 likes. And if you enjoyed, like it and view it. And thank you, guys, and bye.